example 9 wants you to find the length of AC. I want you to find this right here. Okay, so we need AC. And since that's across from B, we're going to call that little b. This is what I want, little b right here. So let's do the law of... Now, we'd like to do the law of sines. They told us an acute triangle here. But we don't have some other angles here. So we might be able to do it with one angle and its opposite side. The law of cosines works very nicely in that situation. So let's call this, we'll call 52 little c. We'll call 45 little a, because they're across from their corresponding angles that control them. So if we use b as our starting, the law of cosines is b squared equals, now it's the other two sides that you don't want to find that are added. Those same two sides are multiplied by 2, and then you take the cosine of the opposite angle for the side that you want, which is angle B here. And it turns out we happen to know this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So it becomes a very easy calculation in the terms of just plug and chug. So let's put those numbers in. We get b squared equals 45 squared plus 52 squared minus, we're going to run out of space there, so I'm going to put the minus underneath, minus 2 times 45 times 52 times the cosine of 36 degrees. Make sure you're in degree mode on your calculator. You can type that all in one step and you'll get b squared. So when I do that, I'm going to type that all in one step. 45 squared plus 52 squared on my calculator minus 2 times 45 times 52 times the cosine of 36, and I forgot to check if I'm in degree mode, so I can check it before I hit enter. And my mode happens to be degree mode, so I'm going to go second quit and I'm back to where I started. And if I press enter, I get a number that is 942.8 approximately. And you can carry some more decimals if you like. Okay, so here's the real problem. A lot of people stop here because they've done all this work, but we got b squared. We're going to have to take the square root of it. And it's a side length, so I'm not worried about the negative. I'm only worried about the principal square root, the positive. So I type that in there. Now I kept all my decimals. I'm just going to go second square root, second negative sign for answer on my TI-84 plus. And I get b is approximately 30.7 centimeters. And that's reasonable given the rest of the triangle. And the 36 degree angle is probably the smallest angle in there, so that makes sense that 30 is the smallest side.